Hi, this is Rick with RAM Mounts, and today we're going to look at the latest accessory from RAM and GDS Tech, the RAM Vent Temp System. When it comes to telematics and transportation, vehicles will often have their device in the cab for long periods of time, and it's very important that their ELD or other device is maintaining an operable temperature, so whether it gets too hot or too cold, that's exactly what the RAM Vent Temp system does by routing temperature levels from the vent of your vehicle directly to the docking station that's holding your device. So let's take a look at all the parts that go into the system. You have a 50-inch long, rugged but flexible corrugated tubing that you can cut to any desired length. You have an adapter that presses and twists on, so quickly disconnect if needed. But with this adapter, you would then connect to any style of vent adapter option that we have. But essentially this connects by using the included zip tie system that will route through and connect to your vent grill. Each of these vent adapters contain 4 built-in durable magnets that will allow you to quickly connect and disconnect from the hose adapter, as you can see here. Moving over to the other side of the hose system, you have the adapter that will connect to your RAM or GDS docking station. This is another press and twist adapter that goes to the end of the hose, and then what we're looking at here is the back dock connection that contains a 4-hole pattern, and this adapter will connect to the back of any RAM or GDS dock that contains this unique fan cutout on the back. Now, in addition to the back dock connection, we also have the front dock connection here that allows for defogging of a device screen and also allows you to connect to a phone dock in addition to various RAM and GDS docking stations. Air will be routed directly to the device screen for defogging and also for cooling and warming. Built with the user in mind, the RAM Vent Temp system is the fastest and most efficient way to route cooling or heating to your ELD or other device, all with modular components to connect to any vent system and will connect to any RAM or GDS docking station, all backed by a lifetime warranty. To learn more, go to rammount.com or contact your account manager.